Okay, I think I figured it out this time.
What?
I think I figured it out.
What is going on?
I think it's antifreeze.
Antifreeze!
Yeah.
That's not antifreeze.
Well, it's cat piss.
It's Satan!
Oh, thank God.
Thank God you're here.
Plumber man!
Plumber man, come here.
Plumber
we
guy,
have a
here.
problem that is extremely oblivious to us.
Whatever it is, fix it.
Fix it.
Someone call a plumber.
Fix it.
Destroy this.
Fix it.
What is that? What is that thing right there all over?
It looks like
First off.
I'm sorry.
I'm a plumber.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
That's what we ordered.
Not too sure where the sewer system is, but it's close.
Nearby.
In the vicinity of this household. More questions, please.
How many times have you flown on an airplane?
Oh, you don't even want to know.
Okay.
You don't even want to know! Why don't you ask me how many times my mom dropped me on my head? Because it's gonna say a lot! Come here.
Come back over. I'm sorry.
Get over here right now.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Good news.
We didn't
I'm
mean
sorry.
to yell.
I think I got
Would you like a glass of water?
Do you want to know what it is or not?
We
Not
did.
really. Oh God, you can see his face.
Oh,
What's up?
yeah, Joe. I figured what this is.
What is it?
Okay, so remember last year when we had Robert De Niro over to the house?
Yeah, dog.
In our house.
Uh-huh.
Well, remember when he left his house and left his cigars here?
Hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, well, I think he burnt the ground and we're just now noticing it because we moved the furniture around.
What a tool bag!
Robert De Niro!
Oh! Heat.
Please. Yeah, okay, so basically, I've narrowed it down to 3 things.
What is...
It's either one of your coloring books that the dog got a hold of.
No.
No, well, okay, so it's
I
not
keep
that.
them all in a special chest.
You,
In my room.
Well, your coloring books or the dog's?
Both.
Okay. Both, that's fine. It doesn't matter at this point. The point is, here's the second option. You know all your mullets? Your wig mullets?
I don't know
Is
what you're
this
talking
Jerry's
about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Maybe I do.
Yeah, you do know what I'm talking about. Is this your Jerry Seinfeld wig mullet? Okay, so that's one of the options. Okay. And you know that orange juice that you left in the fridge for like a year? Shh. Don't sound like that. It's annoying.
I'm sorry.
Well, did you spill the orange juice?
Yes, I did! Shut up!